Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to change app permissions. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first, what you're going to do here is you have to go to your settings or phone settings, look for the gear icon, and then this time you have to look for the apps. You can scroll down here and then look for apps. So once you tap apps, you will see here a list of application. And if you want to change permission of a specific application, you just have to click that application. And once you open that application here, you will see the permission option. All you have to do is tap on the permissions, and it's up to you. Either you allow camera or contacts. All you have to do is to tap on allow. So let me select another application right here, and I'm going to turn on, or I'm going to allow permission or change permission. So for example, this one, I want to add location, or I want to permit location. You can also select don't allow. For example, for phone, you can tap don't allow. So that's how you easily change app permission here. Again, just look for that application and then tap on permissions. And you can just choose if you want to allow this time, or don't allow. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.